Shopping for an SUV in 2025? With so many models on the market, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. Whether you're looking for everyday dependability, advanced safety, fuel efficiency, or a touch of luxury, there's a wide range of options to consider this year. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the standout SUVs across different categories, from compact and hybrid models to electric and luxury picks. If you're shopping for a dependable compact SUV in 2025, it's hard to overlook the Toyota RAV4. Known for its long-standing reputation for reliability and practicality, this year's model continues to build on that legacy with thoughtful updates and broad appeal. One of the RAV4's strongest assets is its well-balanced combination of comfort, utility, and fuel efficiency. Whether you're running errands around town or heading out on a weekend trip, this SUV is built to handle everyday life with ease. Inside, the cabin is spacious and user-friendly. There's ample room for both passengers and cargo, with nearly 70 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ride is smooth and quiet, and the interior materials, while not overly luxurious, feel solid and well put together. It's a car that prioritizes function without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising down the highway, the RAV4 delivers a calm and composed driving experience. In terms of safety, Toyota has equipped the RAV4 with its standard Safety Sense 2.5 suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Available upgrades include blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, helping drivers stay confident and aware on the road. Where the RAV4 really shines, though, is at the gas pump. Depending on the trim, the EPA estimated fuel economy ranges from 28 to 30 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for a non-hybrid SUV in this class. And for those seeking even better efficiency, there's also the RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid options, which bring even more savings and performance. Starting at around $30,000, the RAV4 offers a wide range of trims to suit different budgets and needs. If you're looking for a compact SUV that's dependable, efficient, and versatile, the RAV4 continues to be one of the smartest choices on the road. While the RAV4 is all about reliability and practicality, some buyers may be looking for something more upscale. If that sounds like you, the next SUV might be exactly what you're after. Next, at number 2, we have the Genesis GV70. If you're in the market for a luxury compact SUV in 2025, the Genesis GV70 is a standout that deserves your attention. Competing against heavyweights like the BMW X3, Porsche Macan, and Lincoln Corsair, the GV70 manages to not just hold its own, but in many areas, surpass them. From the outside, the GV70 is sleek and athletic. Its signature two-line LED headlamps, distinctive G-Matrix grille, and smooth curves give it a sporty, upscale appearance that turns heads without trying too hard. But it's once you step inside that this SUV really starts to impress. Genesis has clearly prioritized comfort, craftsmanship, and technology. The cabin features high-end materials, available Nappa leather seats, and a layout that feels both modern and intuitive. The fingerprint authentication system is a unique touch. It starts the car and adjusts everything to your personalized settings with just a tap. On the tech side, the GV70 includes a host of driver assistance features standard, including forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add more advanced systems like remote smart parking assist, allowing the car to park itself while you watch from outside. Under the hood, the GV70 offers two solid options. The base model comes with a 2.5L turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 300 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. For drivers seeking more punch, an optional 3.5L twin-turbo V6 delivers 375 horsepower and strong acceleration, rivaling some of its more expensive European counterparts. Fuel economy is respectable for a luxury SUV. Around 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway for the 4-cylinder model. Perhaps the most impressive aspect, the starting price of around $45,600. For what it offers in design, performance, and technology, the GV70 undercuts many of its rivals by thousands of dollars, making it not just a smart buy, but possibly one of the best value luxury SUVs of the year. If luxury and refinement are your priorities, the GV70 delivers in style. But if you're ready to explore the electric side of performance, the next SUV on our list offers an entirely different kind of thrill. I am talking about the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, a name worth knowing. While Hyundai's Ioniq line has already earned praise for its clean design and everyday practicality, the Ioniq 5N takes things to a whole new level, delivering serious performance in a futuristic package. Visually, it's striking. With its bold, angular styling and aerodynamic accents, the Ioniq 5N doesn't just look modern, it looks fast, and it absolutely is. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, this electric SUV is powered by dual electric motors that produce a stunning 641 horsepower, launching the vehicle from 0 to 16 mph in just 3.25 seconds. That puts it in the same performance category as some high-end sports cars, beating out even the Lamborghini Urus and Dodge Durango Hellcat in straight-line speed. While performance is clearly a headline feature, the Ioniq 5N still delivers on daily usability. It offers an estimated 221 miles of range, which is more than enough for most commutes and weekend drives. One trade-off to note is the vehicle's 72 miles per gallon combined, which is a bit lower than some competitors in the EV segment. However, that's a reasonable compromise for the level of power and driving excitement it delivers. Inside, the Ioniq 5N comes loaded with advanced tech, including a performance-tuned display, customizable driving modes, and Hyundai's latest driver assistance features. It strikes a balance between digital sophistication and clean driver-focused design. With a starting price of around $67,500, the Ioniq 5N isn't cheap, but it undercuts many luxury electric rivals while offering more power and a strong reliability track record. For those who want EV performance without the supercar price tag, this might just be one of the most exciting electric SUVs of the year. While the Ioniq 5N focuses on futuristic power and EV innovation, some drivers want a more grounded experience, something that balances driving fun with real-world usability. That's where the Mazda CX-50 comes in. For drivers who want something that's both refined and capable, the Mazda CX-50 is one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs you can buy in 2025. Built to blend sporty design with everyday practicality, the CX-50 is a compelling choice for those who care about driving experience, comfort, and style. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek, athletic look, which feels more rugged and purpose-built than many of its rivals. Mazda designed the CX-50 with a wider stance and a more aggressive profile than the CX-5, signaling its more adventurous intent. But make no mistake, this SUV is just as comfortable on city streets as it is on backcountry trails. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a naturally aspirated 2.5L engine or an available turbocharged version that boosts output to up to 256 horsepower when using premium fuel. The result is quick acceleration and strong highway performance, making merging and overtaking feel smooth and responsive. Inside, the cabin is clean and upscale, with a focus on materials and finish. Soft touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and thoughtful design details give the CX-50 a premium feel without the premium price. There's also a well-integrated infotainment system and optional upgrades like a Bose audio system, panoramic sunroof, and heated rear seats. What helps the CX-50 stand out even more is its light off-road capability. With increased ground clearance, Mazda's iActive AWD system, and off-road driving modes, this SUV is more than ready for weekend adventures, even if it's not a full-blown trail crawler. Safety features come well equipped across all trims with standard systems like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, helping deliver peace of mind on the road. Fuel economy is solid for a vehicle of this size and power. Expect around 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway with the base engine. Starting at around $35,200, the Mazda CX-50 offers a great balance of performance, comfort, and light adventure capability, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV class for 2025. The CX-50 blends performance with adventure-ready capability, but what if efficiency is at the top of your checklist? The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers exactly that, without sacrificing space or comfort. The Honda CR-V Hybrid remains one of the most well-rounded choices available. While competitors like the Toyota Grand Highlander and Hyundai Tucson Hybrid also deliver impressive packages, the CR-V Hybrid edges ahead thanks to its smart combination of efficiency, space, and everyday practicality. One of the most appealing aspects of the CR-V Hybrid is how easily it fits into daily life. With 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and up to 76.5 cubic feet when the seats are folded flat, it's more than capable of handling groceries, luggage, or gear for weekend trips. Rear seat space is generous as well, making it comfortable for adult passengers even on longer drives. Powering the 2025 CR-V Hybrid is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, delivering a combined 204 horsepower and 247 pounds-feet of torque. While the eCVT transmission may not deliver the most engaging feel, it helps keep things smooth and efficient. And efficiency is exactly where this SUV shines. Drivers can expect up to 43 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class without stepping into plug-in territory. Honda has also packed the CR-V Hybrid with a generous set of standard safety and driver assistance features. Even the base hybrid trim includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and more, all part of Honda's sensing suite of advanced safety technologies. At a starting price of around $34,600, the CR-V Hybrid may seem a bit higher than some of its rivals, but it delivers solid value when you factor in the strong fuel economy, build quality, standard features, and Honda's reputation for long-term reliability. Whether you're looking to reduce your time at the pump, enjoy a quiet and roomy ride, or simply want a hybrid SUV that handles everyday life with ease, the CR-V Hybrid is a smart and dependable choice for 2025. For those who want a hybrid that's smooth, efficient, and well-equipped, the CR-V Hybrid is a top pick. But if you're after true all-weather capability at an affordable price, the Subaru Crosstrek makes a strong case. If you're looking for an SUV that's affordable, practical, and built to last, the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is one of the best compact options to consider. Known for its standard all-wheel drive, impressive fuel efficiency, and light off-road ability, the Crosstrek continues to be a smart choice for drivers who want a little bit of everything in a compact package. Unlike many competitors where all-wheel drive is an extra cost feature, Subaru includes it as standard on every trim. This makes the Crosstrek particularly well-suited for drivers in areas with variable weather, as well as those who enjoy weekend adventures off the pavement. With its elevated ground clearance and available X-Mode traction system, it's more capable than most crossovers when the road ends. The 2025 model delivers solid efficiency too. According to EPA estimates, the Crosstrek gets 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the more fuel-conscious picks in the segment, especially impressive given the standard AWD system. Inside, the Crosstrek keeps things straightforward and functional. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, offering good legroom for passengers and enough cargo space for groceries, gear, or a weekend's worth of luggage. While it may not feel luxurious, the materials are durable and thoughtfully laid out, contributing to a smooth, quiet ride. Safety is another strong point. Subaru includes its EyeSight driver assist technology on all hybrid and gas trims, featuring automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and more. These features help make the Crosstrek one of the safest options in its class. Starting at around $26,500, the Crosstrek delivers real value. It's not just about affordability. This SUV offers dependable performance, everyday comfort, and the kind of go-anywhere capability that's often missing from similarly priced competitors. If you need a compact SUV that's just as comfortable on city streets as it is on forest roads, and one that doesn't break the bank, the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is well worth a spot on your shortlist. The Crosstrek shows you don't have to spend a lot to get dependability and versatility. But if you're aiming for something more premium, something that blends luxury and performance, The Mercedes-Benz GLE might be exactly what you're looking for. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is one of the most versatile and well-equipped models available. It narrowly edges out tough competitors like the Audi Q7, BMW X5, and Genesis GV80, offering a level of customization and refinement that few others can match. One of the GLE's biggest strengths is its flexibility. Buyers can choose between 2-row or 3-row seating, which makes it a great fit for both families and individuals who want extra cargo room. There's also a wide range of engine options, from a turbocharged 4-cylinder in the base model to a high-performance V8 in the AMG trims. Power ranges from 255 horsepower all the way up to 603 horsepower depending on the configuration. The GLE 450e plug-in hybrid is a strong option for those looking to cut fuel costs without giving up luxury, offering electric-only range for short commutes and smooth transitions to gas for longer trips. And for performance enthusiasts, Mercedes offers AMG variants that turn this SUV into a true driver's machine. Visually, the GLE maintains Mercedes' signature elegance. Wheel options span from 19 to 22 inches, and the cabin is designed with premium materials, available Nappa leather, and a dual-screen infotainment layout that feels both modern and high-tech. That said, some important features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist are only available through optional packages, which can add around $1,950 or more to the price. Similarly, while heated seats come standard, ventilated seats are an extra cost upgrade. But for many buyers, the upside is the level of customization available. With the right package, the GLE can rival far more expensive luxury SUVs in comfort and technology. Starting prices vary by trim, but the GLE's balance of performance, refinement, and flexibility makes it a top-tier choice in its class. For those who want to blend prestige, practicality, and personal style, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE delivers across the board.